So we start off today's video with someone who has decided to switch up their hair to this gorgeous bob. Followed by someone else who decides to get a haircut. And then we have a hair color transformation. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Love the peekaboo hair color with that. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. So today's video will feature a variety of trendy hair transformations. Here we have someone else who has decided to big chop. Followed by this gorgeous lob. Wow, absolutely stunning. Then we have someone else who has decided to cut their hair. Looks like she cut quite a lot off. Oh, she got some beautiful layers. Absolutely stunning. And as you guys know, that is one of the hottest trends for 2023, so we love to see it. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone that has like split dyed hair. She's decided to give herself a wolf cut. And she already had bangs, and I love her hair color. It's so pretty. So it looks like she's going in with the scissors to just kind of define the cut a little bit more. Well, she did a pretty good job. So she's attempting to style her hair here. I think her best move should be to do like a blowout, like a complete blowout to redefine the lines of the layers she cut. Oh, we have a blonde going to brunette, very nice. And then we got some hair care tips. My best hair care tip is do what works best for your hair. Just because something works for somebody else does not mean it's going to work for you, and vice versa. Just find a routine that works for you. Whoa. Oh, she's coloring her hair red. Oh, that is hot. Her hair is gorgeous. Look at that curl pattern. Absolutely stunning. So it looks like we have another color transformation here. Oh, she might be doing like rainbow hair. Maybe even rainbow bangs. So she's got some green, blue, purple. Oh, wow. Absolutely gorgeous. You would never think to like pair such pretty colors with the orange, but that came out really good. So it looks like she might be getting ready to dye her hair like ginger or copper. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning. Cutting V-shaped bangs. So this is actually another really popular trend right now. And it looks like she has a really funky hair color happening with the green shades, like Money Piece highlight green color combo. Honestly, I would go to a professional if I wanted bangs like this, because this seems like it would be hard to do by yourself. I feel like she's more so creating like a U shape versus V. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not really feeling these bangs. Let me know what you guys think. Did you like the U-shape, V-shape bang look? I know what she was trying to do, but that one just didn't seem like she did that great of a job. So we have someone here with some burgundy highlights, really pretty. And then we have someone with split dye hair who is attempting to do the butterfly cuts. Now, I'm not gonna lie, the shorter your hair is, the harder it is going to be to do this method successfully. But let's see how she does. Maybe she'll do it like really well and it'll come out cute. It doesn't look half bad. I mean, it actually came out pretty good, I think. Pretty decent. Oh yeah, that's cute. Alright, you guys, so if you enjoyed checking out these hairstyle ideas with me, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.